In this video, I'm going to teach you how to put a Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you primarily play Fortnite on one console and you would like to make sure that all of your progress gets transferred to the other, that is a very easy step that you have to take to do this. So all that you have to do is go over to Fortnite.com. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to transfer over all of your progress from any console to another. So in here, sign into the Epic Games account. The Epic Games account is essentially the Fortnite account that you use. So sign into it, and once you are signed in, click on your name and go over to Account. Now, at the left side of the screen, choose Apps and Accounts, and you will be able to switch over to the Accounts category. In here, as you can clearly see, you can link multiple different platforms. So you have Xbox, PlayStation Network, and then Nintendo account. So all that you have to do is link the account that is missing. So if you primarily play on a Nintendo Switch, your Nintendo account will already be listed. You don't have to remove it. All that you have to do is go over to PlayStation Network and click on Connect. Alternatively, if you primarily play on PlayStation 5 and you want to transfer over your progress to a Nintendo Switch, you just connect the Nintendo account instead. Once you have both accounts connected, the progress will always be shared, so you can swap between the consoles at will. You will have access to the same skins, the same progress, the same battle pass, and so on. So as you can see, I already have a PlayStation Network account, so I'm going to demonstrate this with Twitch instead. When you click Connect, you will be redirected to this page where you have to confirm your email address, and after you confirm the email address, you will be redirected into the PlayStation website, where you can sign into your PlayStation Network account and get this process done. Make sure to use the same Epic Games account, so the Fortnite account, sign into that on your PlayStation 5 and the Nintendo Switch, and the progress will be transferred between both of these consoles. You can do the exact same thing with Xbox as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to put a Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.